Hi everyone, Easter is definitely around the corner and I wanted to share with you how simple it is to make your own Easter basket. Now as you can see here, there are so many variety of baskets to choose from, so you can make your Easter basket as big or as small as you like. Now I would have put this video out just a little bit earlier, but what I wanted to show you is that the closer Easter gets, the more the stores will begin to lower their prices. And as you can see here, they offer a variety of items that are perfect for filling your child's basket with all the things that they like. So let's go ahead and get started.
Okay, before you make your DIY Easter basket, you will need a few supplies to accomplish this. And what I have here is a little plastic basket that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. They were 40% off. And then if you have some newspaper or some type of stuffing paper, you will need that to put in the basket to kind of give it some height. And then you can come back on top with your decorative filler paper. This right here is the crinkle cut paper in red. And then I also have some glue dots here, and I have two types of bags. I have the shrink wrap bag that you'll need a hairdryer for, and I also have just a regular basket bag. You can put your Easter basket down in there and secure it on the top and make a nice bow to go with it. So the fun thing about making your own Easter basket is you can pick the items that you want. You don't have to pick what the store already has packaged up in an Easter basket. You can pick whatever you know that child likes. Now I am making a Easter basket for my grandson, and I know that he loves Mickey Mouse. So I particularly went around to different stores and picked up on different items. Now right here, I don't know if you guys have a Ollies in your town, but we have what's like an Ollies. To me it's kind of like a Big Lots, but they had these Mickey Mouse books that were very reasonable, so I picked him up 2 of those. I also went to my local PX Exchange and picked up just on the little Mickey Mouse stuffed toy here that we will be putting in the bag. And then I went to the dollar store and got some of the flashcards for numbers and counting. And then I went to Walmart and got just like a little car here and also some bubbles for him. And then what I'll do is I'm going to add this little M&M egg, which kind of goes with the Easter theme, some little small fruit snacks, and then just a little cup of Oreos. So the good thing is you can customize it to whatever the child likes. If you're making a basket for more than one child, whatever that particular child likes, you can definitely customize it and make a beautiful Easter basket that you and the child will both love, and they can also definitely use the items that you put in the basket. Okay, so we have our items all ready to be packaged and ready to make our Easter basket here. Now, I did put like a little bit over a package and a half of the filler paper inside of here. And the point I want to make here is there is no right or wrong way to making an Easter basket, because I'm quite sure any child will love it. But I do want to point out too, when you're assembling your Easter basket, whatever container that you have, is you want to make sure that the items that you have to go into the Easter basket are kind of evenly proportioned around the basket. For example, you don't want everything all on one side, or you don't want everything towards the back. And you also want to put some of the larger items towards the back so that they do not cover up some of the small items that you purchase. So let's go ahead and get this basket assembled. Okay, so we have everything assembled in our Easter basket, and as you saw, I kept rearranging items. I am notorious for that. I like to rearrange things, take a step back and rearrange them again, or maybe I'll rearrange them, walk off for about 30-40 minutes, come back. I just want everything to be nice and proportioned, and I want to be able to see everything that's in the basket. So I think that I have accomplished this. It looks great to me. And so now I am going to package everything up, and we will be almost done with our DIY Easter basket, and it will be ready for giving away. Now here is the alternative to the shrink wrap. You can just use the bag and set the basket inside of the bag and just secure it with a tie, and then put a piece of ribbon around here. Now this method is really super quick and super easy. For this DIY Easter basket, I am going to use the shrink bags that I bought at Hobby Lobby. They do come 30 by 30, and you get 2 in a bag. And the reason why I am going with the shrink bag is because we have a few small pieces in here that will probably keep moving if I just sit it down in a bag, and by shrink wrapping it, it'll help everything stay in place. So let's go ahead and get started. You will need a hair dryer for this, set on the high temperature setting, and you don't want to get too close. You just kind of want to work around with it, and then you'll see it shrinking as you continue to go around the basket. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so everything is all shrink wrapped and ready to go. I will tell you that if you have sharp edges or sharp sides of a book, to be careful when you shrink wrap it. Don't shrink wrap it too much, because it can puncture the shrink wrap and you'll have to start all over again. But in the comments below, let me know if you plan on making Easter baskets this year, or if you're just gonna go ahead and buy one. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and also please share this video with your family and friends. If you're not a subscriber, we would love to have you as a subscriber, and I hope everyone enjoys their Easter. Happy Easter, everyone, and until the next video, bye bye.